Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this screencast, we will learn how you can automatically open the course topics or the course sections in your Moodle course depending on the week date. Let me say that I am using the topics format for this demo course, and I would like all the topics, let us say this H5P, to open on a specific date, and then after a week I would like this assignments section to be open for the students. Otherwise all the sections will remain hidden for the students. In order to do that, what we need to do is we need to edit the specific section settings, as I will just show you right now. So you can see that I'm logged into this course as a admin, but for the teacher also the process will remain same. So you need to first come to your course where you would like to change this setting, and then go to the section where you would like to first start with. So let me say that I would like to first have this section H5P to be opened on the next Monday. So I will be just clicking the three dots here and then click edit topic. Under the restrict access section here, you need to click on add restriction and then choose date. And here you can select this eyeball icon to turn this off so that the section will remain hidden, and then choose the from date. So let me say that I would like them to open it from 1st of February. So I will be choosing 1st and then February, and that's it. Click save changes. So now whenever the students will be visiting this course, initially they will see only this news forum, and then after 1st of Feb, this global warming H5P package will be visible to them automatically without making any changes from my side to show or hide this activity. Similarly, we can add the restrictions for subsequent sections in the course according to our own date requirements. Let us say that I would like them every section one by one opening after a week. So I can add a week based dates in the restrict access section for each course topic. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you.